we have agreement from 1995 where Greece is obliged in Article 11 that if Macedonia accepts to become member of multinational organizations under the temporary name, that Greece will not block this. Against Greece blocked. We saw that Greece blocked us to receive the invitation to become full member of NATO. So I'm saying we are not feeling your good words and your good intentions that you are declaring. There are some historic persons that are not remaining just to one or to two countries, that are remaining to the vote. And I cannot understand why some country cannot use such names as you mentioned. Because that names you can find as a streets in Rome, as a city in Egypt, as many different things in many different countries, because that's the persons that are remaining to the vote, not to Greece, not to Macedonia, not to some other country in the region or out of the region.